Acceleration. The velocity applied to the particle after it is emitted. What is the effect? After setting the x-axis direction data to 1, the particles move horizontally to the right. The negative one is to move horizontally to the left, and the y-axis direction data is set to 1. The particle moves horizontally upward, and the negative one is horizontal downward movement. Change the z-axis data to 1, the particles will move outwards vertically on the screen, and the negative one will move inwards vertically on the screen. Curve value. According to the previous introduction, the time axis in the curve is only 4 seconds, which is proportionally mapped to the survival time of the particle. And my particle survival time is set to 8 seconds, so I set the speed of 0 and 1 second to 0. And set it to 2 after 1 second. The overall effect on the particle is that the particle stops at 0 to 2 seconds and after 2 seconds start exercising. If I change the particle survival time to 4 seconds, then it is a 1-to-1 ratio, and the overall effect on the particle is that the particle stops at 0 to 1 second and starts to move after 1 second. The middle number between the two values means that the speed of the particles changes back and forth between these two values after the particles are generated. For example, here I set the y-axis from 0 to 1. The preview can see that the particles are not all moving at the beginning, but randomly at the beginning. The y-axis moves between 0 and 1, of course. The overall general direction is the direction of the y-axis.